Open the frame. Adjust the height of the wheels. Ensure that the height of the three displays is consistent, or use a wrench to adjust the wheels. Lock the three displays together with a wrench. Ensure that the antennas and network cables are installed. Pay attention to the HDMI interface. Connect HDMI cables. Back view. Front view. Connect power cables. The display is on. Connect to the hotspots of LED poster. Password SN2008 @+. Open software Viplex Express. Click Control. Click Multi-Screen Mosaic. Open Multi-Screen Mosaic.